Today, we're diving deep into the world of mobile technology where Samsung is making waves with a groundbreaking announcement that could redefine the smartphone experience. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the secrets behind Samsung's latest innovation and its potential impact on the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung, the tech giant, has just dropped a bombshell. They've unveiled the world's thinnest mobile device memory chips. These aren't just any ordinary chips, they're engineered to be the backbone of future smartphones, especially those equipped with powerful AI capabilities. Imagine a memory chip that's thinner than a credit card, yet packs a punch. That's exactly what Samsung has achieved with its new 12nm LPDDR5 XRAM chips. They're not only incredibly slim, but also boast higher density and improved heat resistance. This combination is a game changer for the smartphone industry. Samsung emphasizes that these chips are specifically designed to handle the demanding tasks associated with on-device AI calculations. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our smartphones, the need for powerful and efficient memory solutions becomes paramount. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung's announcement has sent ripples of excitement for the tech community as it strongly hints at the possibility of a massive RAM upgrade for this flagship device. Rumors have been swirling about the Galaxy S25 Ultra packing a hopping 16 gigabytes of RAM, and Samsung's new memory chips seem to confirm these speculations. With these incredibly thin and high-performance chips, it's entirely feasible for Samsung to equip the S25 Ultra with such a generous amount of RAM. If these rumors pan out, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could become a true powerhouse, capable of handling the most demanding tasks with ease. From seamless multitasking to running complex AI applications, this phone could set a new benchmark for performance. The importance of RAM for AI performance has been highlighted by the recent controversy surrounding Apple's iPhone 15 series. Apple introduced a new AI feature called Apple Intelligence, but it's exclusively available on the iPhone 15 Pro models. Why? Because these models come with 8 gigabytes of RAM, while the standard iPhone 15 and 15 Plus have only 6 gigabytes. Apple's own executives have confirmed that the limited RAM on the standard models is the reason for the exclusion of Apple Intelligence. This clearly demonstrates how crucial RAM is for AI capabilities. Samsung, as one of the world's leading memory chip manufacturers, is in a prime position to capitalize on this trend. By offering high-capacity, AI-optimized memory chips, they can give their smartphones a significant edge over the competition. While the Galaxy S25 series is still a few months away, it's exciting to speculate about the possibilities that these new memory chips bring to the table. We can expect to see other flagship Android smartphones from different brands adopting these chips, leading to a new era of on-device AI. As AI continues to evolve, the demand for powerful and efficient memory solutions will only grow stronger. Samsung's latest innovation is a testament to their commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile technology. That's all for today's tech update. What do you think about Samsung's new memory chips and their potential impact on the smartphone market? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech news, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.